It's a program of Dance Sirona to make the company more sustainable with regard to the Paris objectives, remain below the 1.5 degrees. Particularly in ballet, we are trying to make this live for every employee. And we've started also here to explain to the customers why we have cardboard booth, why we have a bamboo toothbrush.
And take this solution kit here. We've just transformed the outer packaging with a new material that is 100% made of old paper. Those are small steps, and we know it's not enough. But step by step, we will continue making changes that will benefit the climate.
The main message at DS at ESE, go beyond!
Taking the approach of really trying to be more sustainable.
I mean, as a company, but also as individuals, we want to get better with regard to climate change. And so we thought instead of coming by plane, we would look for an alternative way to come, a more ecological way. And that's why we chose the 9 train.